If you spend hours sitting at a desk every day, you need to see this. This is the Fresh Healthcare PEMF Mini Mat, and that's completely changed how I work, relax, and support my daily wellness without adding any extra time to my routine. Let me show you how it works. First, let me show you how it arrives. It comes in this premium branded carry bag. Because this is the mini mat, the design is all about targeted coverage and absolute portability. It's light, compact, and super easy to move around the house or take to the office. So what is PEMF? It stands for Pulsed Electromagnetic Field Therapy. This mat emits low-level electromagnetic pulses that pass gently through your body. Our cells run on an electrical charge, and when we're stressed, when we're tense, or when we're sitting for just too long, that balance gets thrown off. PEMF delivers gentle pulses that help restore that balance, and this technology has been around for decades, actually. It has roots in space research, originally explored for astronauts who were cut off from the Earth's natural magnetic field. Now you can have it right in your home. This might seem like those thin, cheap grounding mats online, but this is entirely so different. Standard grounding mats are passive. They just rely on a wire plugged into our wall, but this mat is an active PEMF device. It actively pulses targeted electromagnetic frequencies like the Earth's natural frequency directly into your body, giving you a much more powerful and more reliable grounding experience. Plus, it combines 3 technologies in one targeted device. You get PEMF, far infrared heat, and red and near infrared light therapy. The build quality is stunning. It features a vegan leather surface that is soft and easy to wipe clean. But look closer, see these different colored strips running across the mat? Those are actually 4 layers of natural crushed gemstones embedded right into it. Purple amethyst, clear quartz, tourmaline, and black onyx. This is exactly why it's a premium device and so much better than a cheap grounding mat or a standard heating pad. A regular electric heat pad just warms the surface of your skin, but here, these natural gemstones absorb the heat and convert it into far infrared warmth. This means the heat actually penetrates deeply into your tissues, providing a much more profound, soothing comfort for tired muscles. Setup is effortless. Connect the controller. It's important to do this before switching on the power. Plug it in and you're ready to go. The mat is 50 by 50 centimeters, the perfect size for seated use on a chair, sofa, or on the floor. I love putting it right under my feet while I answer emails. It's completely silent, so you get all these grounding benefits quietly in the background without interrupting your workflow. Now let me walk you through the controller, because this is where the Fresh Healthcare is different from everything else out there. What you currently see here is the temperature, and this is the timer. This is the PEMF button. You have complete control over every part of your session. This is the PEMF button, and you got PEMF frequencies from 1 all the way to 30 hertz, adjustable in 1 hertz increments. Most competitors lock you into 4 preset modes, but this one gives you precise, personalized control. PEMF is adjustable from 1 to 30 hertz. 1 to 3 hertz is the delta range. I love this for the evenings when I want to wind down and encourage pure relaxation before sleep. 7 to 8 hertz is the Schumann resonance. That's the Earth's natural frequency, and this is my absolute go-to for daily balance and feeling grounded. The 7 to 10 hertz range is incredible for post-workout recovery. It can help support the body's natural recovery process, helping you feel more comfortable and at ease after training. I also love running the PEMF right at 10 hertz while I'm on my laptop. It perfectly balances keeping me relaxed but sharp while I get things done. The 13 to 30 hertz is the beta range. I use this for a higher frequency when I want a more clear, alert, and focused session. This higher frequency is great for alertness and for creativity. Just a side note, the PEMF turns off automatically after 20 minutes, so make sure to press that PEMF button on the remote again if you want to continue the PEMF therapy. You also have complete control over the heat up to 176 degrees Fahrenheit, which is 80 degrees Celsius. The heat is completely independent from the PEMF. The gemstone layers absorb and hold that heat, radiating it back evenly so the whole surface feels consistently warm. The far infrared heat penetrates deeper than a standard heating pad, helping soothe tired muscles. I like to turn the heat right up for extra comfort. Then there's the red light therapy. You've got 3 red lights at 660 nanometers and 3 near infrared lights at 850 nanometers built right into the mat. I switch these on as part of every session. You can see them glowing here. The dark lights are near infrared light, which is invisible to the human eye and penetrates deep into the tissues to support cellular energy, helping your joints and muscles feel more comfortable. And the timer is adjustable in 1-minute intervals. You set exactly how long you want your session to run, and the mat handles the rest. This is my favorite part because you can actually see it working. Every mat comes with a magnetic frequency tester. Watch what happens when I place it on the mat. And when I turn the frequency up, it spins faster. You aren't just guessing if it's on, you can see the PEMF pulses in real time. I love the transparency. During the day, I'll easily slide it under my feet and rest my feet on it while working. It's perfect for releasing everyday tension from being on your feet. In the mornings is my favorite meditation spot. I set it to 8 hertz, turn on the far infrared heat, and just take a moment for myself. It fits perfectly on almost any chair. You can just toss it on the seat and use it while you read or relax. Or simply place it behind your lower back on the sofa. It delivers such targeted comfort exactly where you need it, whenever you need it. When I want a complete full body reset, I stack my wellness routines. I'll stand barefoot on the mini mat while wearing my fresh healthcare red light face mask, getting that grounding, active PEMF and far infrared warmth from the ground up, combined with the targeted red light therapy for my face, creates an incredible synergy. It's an effortless head to toe wellness experience that aligns the body and mind without taking any extra time out of my day. Quick specs, the Mini features 1 to 30 hertz PEMF adjustable heat up to 176 degrees, 660 nanometer red light, and 850 nanometer near infrared light, 4 natural gemstone layers, and it comes with a digital controller, magnet tester, and carry bag. It's simple, it fits naturally into my everyday routine, and it feels amazing. Fresh Healthcare backs it with a 100-day money-back guarantee and free shipping. If you want to add a simple premium wellness habit to your day, check out the link below.